Let's talk about movement of a sprite. And by movement, I mean moving left, right, up, down. And really, you come to the point where left, down, up, right can be described mathematically, just like you do in math class, with an X and a Y. X and Y, remember X is your horizontal axis, Y is the vertical axis. And if we look on the place where the sprite is, the center would be right here. And this tells you his position. X is negative 129, so negative from the center, and Y is just a little bit down. Let's change those to make them 0, 0, just so you can see that it is pretty much, well, it is just like math class. He's at 0, 0 now. So it's one of the things to remember. Another thing we can do, we can have him move to a position. Let's call it 100 and make this negative 50. So 100 is to the right, negative 50 is down. His belly button should be somewhere around there. And let's see if that happens. And that's exactly what happened. Okay, another one we want to look at is gliding. Okay, instead of just going, we're going to glide to we're going to glide to a random position, or we're going to glide to a spot here. Then let's do the random first. And gliding just means he slides over there, right? Now, this tells you how fast. If it takes him 1 second to get there, let me ask you a question. If you get there in 1 second or get there in 2 seconds, which one is going faster? I would say the 1 second, because it's getting there quicker. So if I want to go quicker, I need to make this number smaller. Smaller than 1 is a fraction or a decimal. We don't do fractions on here, but we do decimals. So 0.5 should make him move a little faster. And yes, it does. Okay. So now we might want to go to a specific position. And that's what this one up here is for. And there he goes. Now, if I click this again, it's not going to do much because he's already there. But getting to a certain position is good when you're resetting something, or you have to. You've got a game where something goes back to like a penalty box or something where it's been caught, now a jail, something like that. All right, and then another one that's good for games is this one. Go to the mouse pointer. In order for that to work, I need to put it as an event. And if I click this, oh, I also have to do it into a loop. So if I am forever trying to get to the mouse pointer and I click this, it's just spinning around. I'm not sure what point towards mouse pointer. It should have said move towards mouse pointer. And here. And move to the mouse pointer. And now he's, of course, stuck in that position, but you can kind of see what's going on here. Wherever I move my mouse, he goes along with. So we can just move people to a spot. We can glide them to a spot. We can glide them to a random position. If I hit the stop sign here, he should stop following me. There's pointing. There's all sorts of things like that. But these are the real keys right there. Can you move him so many steps? Can he go to a spot? Can he glide to a spot? Can you go to a random position? That'll get you most of your movement that you need.